Hi everyone, I will discuss the beauty of electronics. The beauty of electronics. The beauty of electronics can be explored through the intricate inner working of components, the creative potential for innovation, and the profound impact this creation have on modern life. The field offers a blend of art and science, from the aesthetic pattern of a circuit board to the elegant logic of program. Why is electronics is interesting? Why is electronics so interesting? Electronics is a fascinating field for several reasons. Innovation and creativity. Electronics combine science and engineering, allowing for creative problem solving. Designing circuit and device required innovative thinking, which can lead to groundbreaking technologies. What are the advantages of using electronics? What are the advantages of using electronics? Electronics make it easier to consume and produce content, from digital art to music production. Electronics support business by streamlining operation, enhancing communication, and improving data processing. Tools like computer, software, and automation increase productivity and open up global market. What is the importance of electronics? The importance of electronics. Electronics are essential to modern life, enabling advancement and communication, healthcare, transportation, and entertainment, while making daily tasks more efficient. They form a backbone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones and home appliances to complex medical equipment and infrastructure, and are crucial for modern industry, security, and research. How do electronics benefit us? With the advent of smartphones and the internet, it is easier than ever to stay connected with people all around the world. We can send messages, make calls, video chat, and share information instantly with people anywhere in the world. Home appliances have become smarter and more convenient thanks to electronics.